Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I am excited to share a recipe for a natural hair care spray that can help prevent white hair and bring out your natural hair color. This recipe is particularly suitable for those with natural blonde or lightened hair, but it can also be used by those with black hair. Please watch this video to the end as we will be going over some very important steps, and you will need to follow these steps for the best results. So let's get straight into it. To prepare this hair care spray, we will need 2 leeks. Chop the leeks and place them in a glass bowl. Pour 200 milliliters of boiled water over the leeks, cover the bowl with a lid, wrap it in a towel, and let it rest for 2 hours. In addition to leeks, we will also need green tea, chamomile, cloves, bay leaves, and apple cider vinegar. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, making it beneficial for our scalp and body. Chamomile has antibacterial properties, while cloves and bay leaves are natural medicinal plants. To prepare the herbal tea, take a small pot and add 1 tablespoon of green tea, 1 scoop of dried chamomile, 4 to 5 cloves, and 3 bay leaves. Pour 200 milliliters of boiled water over the ingredients and boil the pot on low heat for 10 minutes. After boiling, remove the pot from the fire and let it cool. Once the herbal tea has cooled, strain it into a glass using a strainer. Take the leek that has been resting for 2 hours and strain it over the herbal tea glass. Pour the mixture into another container, and add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to eliminate the smell of leeks and make your hair shiny. Our hair care spray is now ready. Pour the herbal tea into a spray bottle, and store the excess herbal tea in a glass jar with a lid in the refrigerator for later use. To use the hair care spray, apply it to dry hair before bathing. Massage your hair for 10 minutes to help nourish your hair roots, improve blood circulation, and promote new hair growth. After massaging your hair, leave the spray on your hair for at least 30 minutes. You can also leave it on overnight for the best results. Once you have left the spray on for the desired amount of time, rinse your hair thoroughly with warm water. You can also use mild shampoo if you wish. Repeat this process at least once a week for the best results. Over time, you should notice a significant improvement in the quality and appearance of your hair. Your hair will become stronger, healthier, and more vibrant, and you will see less white or gray hair and more of your natural hair color. Remember to store any unused hair care spray in a cool, dry place or in the refrigerator to preserve its freshness and effectiveness. This hair care spray is a natural and safe way to strengthen and nourish your hair, and it is suitable for anyone with natural blonde hair or blonde hair that has been bleached with dye. So why not give it a try and see the difference it can make to your hair? And if this information has been helpful, share, like, and subscribe. This hair care spray can help restore your hair's natural color, strengthen your hair, and fix damaged hair from dyeing. It is an excellent natural remedy for those with naturally white or blonde hair, as it does not change the color of blonde or white hair. I hope you found this recipe helpful and enjoyable. Don't forget to follow the recipe and let me know your results in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.